Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Just a quick one today, just away for an overnighter today, solo, just out in the Abercrombie region. So I've just pulled up here at a little place called Grove Creek Falls, and I'm gonna walk down to the end of the waterfall and check it out. So you can view this from a different spot, but I thought I'd try something different today and do that. Anyway, after that, just going to go do a little bit of exploring on a couple of areas that I haven't seen before, and yeah, make my way to a bit of a camp, hopefully on the Abercrombie River somewhere. So stick around and we'll go check this waterfall out. So I've never done this walk before, always just gone to the main lookout for a look, but yeah, a little bit of rock hopping and stuff so far, but I think we'll get down there, it's not too far away. Alright, so I reckon I'm just coming up towards the top of the falls now. It's starting to cut through this little gorge looking area, and yeah, it's full rocks now, so yeah, definitely start being a bit careful on these rocks. Don't know about most people out there, but always carry some sort of device out here on my own. Never know if you could you know, bust your ankle or something like that. If I do that, I've got no chance of getting out here, so always keep one of these pretty close to you if you're doing this sort of stuff on your own or even with others. Make sure they got one. Yeah, but anyway, we'll cruise down here and battle our way through and yeah, check it out. Should be good. Okay, just made it to the top of the falls. This is about as close as myself personally that I could probably get to. If you're a bit more adventurous, you could probably get down to over there, but that's just like a cliff face just there. You could do it, but I'm on my own and yeah, no need to risk it. But yeah, straight here, that's yeah, that's the big drop there. So we'll get the drone out and give you a look. Okay, so that's yeah, the top of Grove Creek Falls. Yeah, do yourself a favour and come check it out. Make sure obviously there's plenty of rain, or you know, it's been plenty of rain leading up to your visit out here, but yeah, when it's like this, it's, yeah, it's pristine, it's perfect. So Anyway, we're going to make our way down across the Abercrombie River and head over towards Biggerway. A couple of little of national parks, SCAs I want to check out on the way over there. So yeah, we'll go check them out now. Okay, day's getting away a little bit, and I've just skipped checking out these national parks and stuff, so I'm going to do them on the morning on the way back home. So I've got a little bit more time, and yeah, don't have to sort of beat sundown. Being the middle of winter, yeah, we're losing sunlight pretty quick. It's 3 o'clock now, and I'm still about half an hour from getting to a camp. So I'm just right at the backwaters of Wyangala Dam now, and yeah, just going to go down and find myself a bit of a camp now. Yeah, even skipped lunch a bit, so I've just put the travel buddy pie warmer thing on, and I've just thrown a couple of few bits of last night's dinner in there, actually some pizza, so that should be ready by the time I roll into camp. So anyway, we'll yeah, get down there now and try and find a spot. Okay, just found ourselves a little camp, yeah, on Wyangala Dam. This is a sandy creek arm. It's the first camp I saw. It looked very, looks like there's a heap of driftwood around, so I've just snuck into this little spot on the bank. I know they're letting water out of the dam at the minute because there has been a fair bit of rain out here lately, so I've sort of kept that in mind. Camping so close to the water, definitely be mindful of that if you're camping in these areas, because yeah, if they stop letting the water out and water's coming in, it will come up. Anyway, yeah, no shortage of wood. Yeah, this will do me, nice and sandy. Going to get a couple of rods in the water and yeah, enjoy the night, should be good. Okay, nice quick setup at camp. Just yeah, not a bad spot. There's a few people about, but yeah, that's what it is at the dams. Anyway, we're just gonna throw a couple of fishing lines in. Mightn't do too good. There's a lot of weed around the bank, so I'm gonna try and cast out past that, if that makes sense. Yeah, so just using some pretty light gear, but yeah, hopefully we can just get out past that weed and see how we go. So yeah, get rigged up now and yeah, get these lines out there. Okay, so real basic setup there. Just a running sinker to a barrel swivel, then just a nice little leader down to a, I think it's a 2/0 hook or something. Anyway, I've just got some just some servo worms, just some African night callers. So that's all I could find on the way out here, which will, yeah, I'm sure it'll do the job. So we'll get a few of them on there and get this out there. Basic way I do it, just thread it through and yeah, just feed them. So they just got little tails which are wiggling off the end, nice and wiggly. As you put 2 or 3 on, there's only about 20 in this pack, so don't want to go too heavy on them to start off with, but yeah, we'll jam 3 on to start off with and yeah, get this out in the water. Oh wow, I'm on already. So that first cast. Only just put it in the water. We're on already, nothing big, but okay, so a little bit of a hook up there straight off the bat. I didn't land him, but yeah, definitely was on there for a little minute. Don't think it was anything too big, but yeah, bit of fun straight off the bat. Not sure what we got here, but probably just a carp, but a lot of weed down there, so I'm not sure. Oh yeah, just a European carp. All right. Okay, if you're not too sure, European carp are actually a pest species, so we'll get rid of this guy and yeah, dispose of him. Yeah, so they are a yeah, pest invasive species, so yeah, we've just got rid of that one. But yeah, good fun to catch on light gear. It's a shame you can't eat them or do anything good with them, but yeah, that's just how it is. So hopefully we can get a few more of these out of the waterway. Okay, I didn't get the catch of this one, the wind in this one, but I actually got myself a really nice yellow belly. So yeah, beautiful yellow in colour, probably the yellowest ones I've seen around here actually. I'll just get him up here and give you a look. He's a beautiful fish. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful golden perch they call them, but yeah, we mainly call them yellow belly around here. But yeah, cracking colours. I haven't seen them sort of that yellow like that over here for quite a while. So yeah, definitely good health, that's for sure. But we'll as much as I'd love to eat this guy, we'll let him go. Looks like we're on again. Not sure what this one is. It's got some good head shakes. Could be another carp, but I thought the last one was another carp too. Let's see what it actually is. Oh, another nice yellow belly, guys. I think, yeah, another nice yellow belly. Could be a bit bigger, this one. Oh, a bit stonker, this one. Oh yeah, here's a real good one. Okay, just got the hook out and here's an absolute stonker of a yellow belly. Over the moon with that one. He would be probably around 45 to 50 centimetres. A little bit rusty on the size limits there. Haven't got nothing to measure him with. But yeah, absolute cracker. So yeah, it's going pretty good this afternoon. I no way I expected to catch this many fish. So anyway, we'll get this big nice one back in the water and yeah, keep doing it. Okay, 2 really good fish there in about 10 minutes. So yeah, this is crazy fishing. Yeah, we'll get it back out there again and keep going. Alright guys, yeah, good little afternoon fishing this afternoon. Just about to put some bit of dinner on. Nothing too flashy tonight, just some steak and eggs. Yeah, just felt like something pretty basic. Been a little bit crook at home lately the last few weeks, so yeah, just good to just have something basic I think tonight. Don't want to push the limits too much. Anyway, yeah, I've just got a hot plate and yeah, just a bit of chuck it over the fire there and yeah, cook it away. So we're going to get stuck into it now. Yeah, morning guys. Perfect conditions here this morning. Too bad, got the fire going. Yeah, rebaited up fishing line there and put it back in. So we'll see how that goes this morning. Definitely needed a fire, but yeah, cool enough, that's for sure. Anyway, going to throw a bit of brekkie on, just the old bacon and eggs in the cooker there. And yeah, just enjoy the spot. It's great here this morning. Okay, just a bit of a leisurely pack up there this morning. Yeah, it's nearly 10 o'clock actually. It sort of doesn't feel like that down in this spot. We're not sort of getting too much sun here at all. Anyway, a bit quiet on the fishing as well. But yeah, packed up there and just gonna start cruising on home. And like I said yesterday, I'm gonna call and have a quick squiz at these little national parks, see if there's anything in there. But other than that, we'll keep cruising along towards there. Okay guys, about wrapped the video up there. Just a quick little look about this Keverstone National Park. Not too much to show, a couple of steep little sections out the back there. There was a couple of old power line, telegraph line looking things there too, so not too sure what that's all about, but yeah, definitely some old history there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one guys. Cheers. Nobody said anything about walking.